Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you do have that on your phone, just ignore all of that. If you don't, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'd like to go and click at getting started, then follow the steps to create your account. Of course, if you don't know how to follow the steps, you'll find out a video on this channel on how to register or how to create your account on Coinbase successfully. So as I said, if you have an account already, just ignore all of that, sign in or log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and click at the Coinbase application or open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, or as you already did, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, this will actually be my home or my main screen, and if I want to actually change my phone number, all I need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top left corner right here. So from here, I would like to go and click at profile and settings, and here all I need to do, just scroll down this in this account option or section and click at phone number right here. So here you'll find your phone number that you already entered while registering or creating your account on Coinbase application. And if you want to change your phone number or even add a new one, all you need to do, just go and click at the add the phone number here, choose the country that you want from here, then tap your phone number right here, then click add continue. So if you do that, they will actually send you a code on your phone, and it will actually be a code of 7 digits. So just after that, type your code right there, then click add continue, and you will be good to go. You will have then two phone numbers here, and you will be even able to delete one of them if you want. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.